Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix why iPhone contacts not syncing to iCloud and how to fix it. Discovering that your iPhone contacts are not syncing to iCloud can be a frustrating experience. In this video, we will delve into the common cause behind iPhone contacts not syncing to iCloud and also how to fix it. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check your internet connection. The initial action is to confirm the reliability and the strength of your internet connection. Make certain that your device is linked to a dependable Wi-Fi network or has a consistent cellular data connection. Consistent or weak internet connectivity can impede the syncing process, disrupting data transmission between your iPhone and iCloud, and you are done. And the next step is switch off and on iCloud syncing. For this, go to your iPhone settings and then tap on your name at the top. Next, tap on iCloud and then tap on show all. And then enable the contacts backup option. If it is not, when prompted, choose merge and then check if the issue is resolved, and you are done. And the next step is sign out and in iCloud account. For this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down and then tap on sign out. Then by providing the password and turning off Find My if prompted, tap on sign out again and log out of your Apple ID. And then reboot your device and sign back into your Apple ID and then check if the issue with the contact syncing are resolved, and you are done. And the next step is set iCloud as the default account. For this, go to settings and then scroll down until you find the contacts app. Then tap on it. Tap on the default account option and choose iCloud account for your contact, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, next tap on software update, wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is check iCloud storage. Limited iCloud storage can often hinder the synchronization of data, including contacts between your iPhone and iCloud. For this, launch the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on the Apple ID at the top. And then choose iCloud and then tap on manage account storage. On the following screen, you will be able to see the breakdown of the current allotted storage of iCloud. You can remove apps here from iCloud to free up space for contact synchronization, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone contacts not syncing to iCloud, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.